Hey everyone, and welcome to our state-of-the-art factory. Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a professional-grade bicycle? Today, you're getting an exclusive behind-the-scenes look. I'm going to take you on a journey from raw metal all the way to a finished machine ready to hit the road. It's a pretty amazing transformation, so let's get started. Everything begins right here, in our massive receiving warehouse. This is where the magic starts. We bring in huge shipments of high-grade aerospace aluminum alloys and pristine sheets of carbon fiber. You can see the raw potential in these materials. But before anything moves forward, quality control is key. We believe that a world-class bike starts with world-class materials. So every single batch gets rigorously tested for purity and strength. If it doesn't meet our exacting standards, it gets sent right back. Only the absolute best materials make it onto our production line. Alright, now let's head over to the fabrication zone. This is where those raw materials start to take shape. It's loud, it's busy, and it's incredibly precise. Just look at this. We use high-powered, precision laser cutters that slice through the metal tubes with microscopic accuracy. It's like watching a sci-fi movie in real life. These cuts ensure every piece fits together perfectly. At the same time, massive hydraulic presses are bending and shaping the tubes into those sleek, aerodynamic forms you see on high-performance bikes. Every single angle and curve is engineered for optimal speed, stability, and rider comfort. It's a perfect blend of power and precision. Next up, things are about to get fiery. Welcome to the welding department. This is where the frame truly becomes one solid piece. Check out these advanced robotic arms. They move with such grace and accuracy. They use high-temperature arcs to fuse the frame joints together, creating bonds that are not only seamless and beautiful, but also incredibly strong while remaining lightweight. But technology alone isn't enough for us. That's why, after the robots do their job, our skilled master craftsmen step in. They meticulously inspect every single weld by hand, guaranteeing the structural integrity of each and every frame. It's this combination of automation and human expertise that makes our bikes so reliable. Once the frame is fully constructed, it's time for a deep clean. It takes a trip through a series of chemical cleaning baths. This process removes any lingering oils, dust, or impurities from the welding process, ensuring the surface is absolutely pristine. Why is this so important? Because it prepares the frame for a flawless paint job. Now let's go to one of my favorite places, the electrostatic paint booth. It's like an art studio for bikes. Here, multiple layers of primer are applied, followed by vibrant coats of color, and finally, a durable, protective clear coat. Each layer is baked in industrial ovens, curing the paint into a tough, brilliant finish that not only looks amazing, but will last a lifetime against the elements. Okay, the painted frame is ready, and now we're heading to the main assembly line. This is where the bike truly comes to life. It's a symphony of organized activity. Dozens of skilled technicians work in perfect rhythm, each with a specialized task. At the first station, the bottom bracket and crankset are carefully installed and torqued to exact specifications. A little further down the line, another team installs the handlebars, brakes, and gear shifters with almost surgical precision. Every cable is routed perfectly. Over here, the wheels are being trued by hand. A technician spins each wheel, making tiny adjustments to the spokes until it spins perfectly straight without a single wobble. This attention to detail is what gives our bikes such a smooth ride. But we're not quite done yet. Before any bike earns the right to leave our factory, it has to pass the final, most grueling test. Welcome to our quality control and stress testing lab. We put these bikes through hell so you don't have to. These machines simulate thousands of miles of rough terrain, applying heavy loads and intense vibrations to test the frame, wheels, and components to their absolute limits. We verify brake performance, gear shifting accuracy, and overall structural safety. Only when a bike passes every single one of these tests with flying colors is it ready for the final step. And here we are at the finish line. The approved bike gets a final polish until it gleams. Then, for safe shipping, we carefully and partially disassemble it, removing the front wheel, pedals, and turning the handlebars. Each part is wrapped and secured inside our custom-designed, branded boxes, ensuring it arrives at your doorstep in perfect condition. From a simple tube of aluminum or a sheet of carbon fiber, all the way to this beautiful machine packed and ready to go, that's the incredible journey of how a world-class bicycle is built. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into our manufacturing process. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you want to see more amazing factory tours and behind-the-scenes content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.